Hello and welcome. I picked a random Excel BI challenge. This time is 637. Something about insert a dash if the characters are not consecutive, and in this case in increasing order. Should be not that hard since I know how to solve it, kind of. So, ABY, not consecutive. Okay, first put it in a let function, S for string, then SP for splitting, mid as sequence, len of S, and number, only a single character, we have splitted it. And then I want to have char of SP, no, code, sorry, not code and char is the counter operation. And here you see, okay, those are consecutive, those not. So I will use this as C and then drop C1 minus C drop the last column and then VSTACK 1. And now we have, let's try it for this one. Yes. So if this is unequal to 1, so the consecutive order, then a minus, otherwise, or a dash, otherwise nothing, and C. Not C, SP, sorry. Here we have it. Now we need to concat it. And now we can map it. That was a rhyme. Here, lambda S, delete the S here. And we're good to go. Let's test it. Oh, the last one is wrong. Okay, there's an error because I think A and B are in consecutive order. So here, I think this should be that. Let's find out. Okay, no one. Okay, Rick has got it. Otherwise, yeah, it's kind of a neat solution. I like my solution, and yeah, that was a short one, but yeah, let it be crisp. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.